Welcome to our tutorial about the Break tool. The Break tool is on the Home tab Modify panel. Let's click the arrow to expand the menu flyout. Left click to activate the tool. I've got a couple lines in model space here. Prompted to select an object, I'm going to select the longer line. And I'll randomly select a second point. It doesn't have to be on the line. And as you see, AutoCAD has broken the line at the point closest to my selection. Let's undo that break. Activate the break command again. I'll select the line again. Now let's right-click and take a look at some of our options. Scroll down to first point. I'll select this endpoint. And now a second breakpoint, this endpoint. AutoCAD breaks the line I selected at the points closest to the points that I selected. Okay, let's activate the break command again. Select this line. Right-click and scroll to first point. For the first breakpoint, I'll select the midpoint of my selected object. For the second point, I'll select the midpoint again. Now we've broken our line into two segments. Let's drop a circle about here. Activate the break command again. Select our circle. Now right-click, first point. I'll select the first breakpoint and the second breakpoint. And let's do one more example. Let's select the arc. Right-click first point and select the midpoint of the arc. For the second breakpoint, the midpoint again. And as you see, now we have two unique arcs. And this concludes our tutorial about the break command.